In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed an interactive prototype from Figma into your case study. This is a really important skill if you want to present your designs in a more engaging and professional way, so viewers can actually interact with your work instead of just looking at static images. First, open the Figma file where your prototype is created. Go to the design page that contains your prototype and make sure everything is ready. Before sharing anything, it's a good idea to preview your prototype. To do that, click the play icon in the top right corner of Figma. This will open your prototype in preview mode so you can see it exactly how a user would experience it. Take a moment to click through the screens, test buttons, transitions, and interactions. This step helps you confirm that everything is working smoothly and there are no missing links or mistakes. Once you're happy with how the prototype works, it's time to get the embed code. While viewing the prototype, click on the Share option in Figma. From there, look for the option to get the embed code. Click on it, then copy the generated code. This code is what allows your interactive prototype to appear inside your case study. Now, go to your case study platform, for example, Behance, create a new project, or open an existing one. Inside the editor, find the Embed option. This is where you can add interactive content from other platforms. Paste the embed code you copied from Figma into the Embed field, then confirm or click Embed. After that, your Figma prototype will appear directly inside your case study, fully interactive. That's it. You've successfully embedded an interactive prototype from Figma into your case study, making your presentation more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.